So this is a micro USB cables. This comes in a 3-pack. It's a good length, like around like 6 feet or so. You can see like the 3 cables here. Comes with good packing, is a braided one. See the metal type of connectors. This is the micro USB part. You can like now I will just try to fit it in the micro USB. See, it's click very good. Strength, like combination is good. It's not coming out very easily, not loose. And this is the USB part. I'm putting in a connector to see it's working, and you can see that start charging. So this is working and the cable is good. So you can see there's no loose part. So once again, see, no loose thing, nothing, worked fine. Still length, cable is good. The cable is of good length.